Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to change the store email addresses in Magento 2. So let's start the tutorial. So here I'm adding the password. Hmm, This is sign in. Then go to the stores configuration. Here we have journal settings. Here you can set the country and all default country. Here we have the store information. You can add the store information, store phone number, store hours, operation, region type, anything else you can add it over here, right? And if you want to enable the single store, you can enable the single store mode only, right? And this is the store street address, zip code, country you can select, and here you can save, you can get it from the configuration files. Okay, now you need to go to the web store email addresses. So whether you somewhere what happens, like suppose here see send emails to. Here you want to configure store emails, like where to send the emails, send to emails, email sender, email template. So contact in contact section you can change it. Here we have the store email addresses, right? In store email addresses you can select which honor sender name should be honor. Like sometime when we try when there is a order and it is delivered, or it is pending in state, or whatever, you can create an order, then sender name would be always showing that is honor. Then you can change it from here, right? And sender email you can change it from here. So we are going to check whether the Mage Plaza extension is installed or not. So I think the security customers. So I think there is no SMTP extension is installed. Okay, that's fine. So here you can change the sender name, sender on mail, sales representative, sales, customer support email, customer email 1, customer email 2. You can change all the email addresses from here, right? So it will change your journal store email, so it will trigger from which email you want to send and which sender name you want to send. You can change it from here, right? And also you can go to the sales or sales emails, right? Sales emails. So here you can also check which the order email notification will be going on. So here you can add with the test at the rate gmail.com, gmail.com, comma, test1 at the rate gmail.com. So you can multiple, you can add the recipients, and you can send the copy to the PCC as if you're going to add on. Same with the order comments with the invoice, whom you want to send this email, right? So you can figure out all these things, all this configuration will done it from the admin panel. So you don't need to go somewhere else. There is the configuration files to which you can add the which user has which um, email, they can get the email. So here you can get all these details in this panel. So first one and explain it is in the journal category. Journal we have the store email addresses, so you need to fix it over here. And the second one in the sales emails, you can fix it which user you need to, or which recipient you want to send the email of that copy, right? So you can add it over here, and you will get the emails from this side. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. I hope you will understand how to uh, configure the store email addresses and all, right? Thank you so much.